would like to know how was this 30 days art teaching business mastery program for you? How do you feel about this? Can you just tell me one by one?
Hello, ma'am.
Hi.
मैम दिस 30 days टीचिंग बिजनेस इज रियली नाइस बिकॉज मेरे को काफी कुछ सीखने मिला इससे how to properly
हाँ.
structure the course that we are going to offer.
Hmm.
Even I was not having any experience in teaching, but I
Hmm.
gained so much confidence after the way you told everything, na? That's
Hmm.
the main thing that I've observed that
Hmm.
how simply you have told everything.
Good, Pratishta. Nice to have you here.
Thank
And
you, ma'am.
yeah, Sherlyn, ma'am, can you share your experience?
Yeah, it's a really nice venture you have done, and
Hmm.
even for me, it was a nice experience.
So, did you find it is satisfactory for you to attend this program and you have got
Yeah,
everything
yeah.
what you wanted to?
Yes, yes, it was.
Thank you. Thank you for letting me know. Yes, Nandita, you can share your experience.
Hi, ma'am. This
Yeah.
teaching course is very
Hmm.
informative,
Hmm.
and I am very happy to learn this
Hmm.
course. And I learned a
Okay.
lot of things. I learned every day different information from your course.
Hmm.
I have
Hmm.
offline courses on drawing
Okay.
teaching,
Hmm.
but I
Hmm.
didn't have any online classes how to
Hmm.
maintain this course, how to do webinar.
Hmm.
So I have learned a lot from you.
Happy to hear this from you,
That's
Nandita.
all.
May I know from
Yeah.
which place you are attending this?
Actually, I am from Kolkata, but right
Okay.
now I am in Malaysia.
You are in Malaysia. Okay.
Yeah.
Kirti, can you please share your experience and from where you are attending this session?
Hi, ma'am. I am in Bangalore now, and
Okay.
I would love to say that before I have joined this course, I don't have any clarity, and there are so many things was going around my head that so many things I had to learn in this way. So
Hmm.
yeah, your step by step guidance helped me a lot to get clarity for this. It will take little time for me to take all this forward, but yeah, I can say that I will achieve this soon. So thank you for that, ma'am.
Okay, thank you for choosing this platform. It is really nice interacting with you and helping you craft your business strategy. Yeah, Vishmita, I have known you from so many years and you have learned color pencil drawing from
Yes,
me.
ma'am.
Then
Yes.
again, you have joined this program, right? So, how do you feel about this 30 days art teaching business mastery program and what is the best thing that you learned from here?
It was really a good experience, ma'am. Basically, I used to take classes and I also tried the webinar marketing, but it doesn't went well. So after
Okay.
attending this class, I came to know about how to analyze the market and how
Hmm.
to analyze the competitor and pricing strategies and a proper course structure and also
Hmm.
about the webinar marketing in detail. So I
Okay.
can compare my previous webinar marketing planning and now it has a
Mm.
lot of changes and I could
Okay.
say I can
Mm.
implement this and I definitely can gain a lot of students out of this, ma'am. And thank you for
Okay.
guiding.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you,
you for
ma'am.
choosing this.